Hi, good day. Here I'm gonna show you what a product which I bought from Lazada, a digital tester, which is very useful in every technical work. So here there are lots of freebies or connectors, which is very useful. Here I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna connect a test spread into one of its free connector here, so that uh, we can easily connect to any electronic parts or any devices for our comfort in using this tester. So here its end is in alligator clip, and the other end is the test spread, so you can easily attach this to the other side. So this is very useful in connecting electronic parts, and especially in measuring, and there are lots of free connectors. So here one of its free is that you can simply cover that end of the test spread in order for this to prevent touching other devices or electronic parts in testing, and its other connector here. So this is very useful in every day work. So here they are the connectors. So if you want to detach and replace it with another connector, so it's very good. It is about 1100, so it's very affordable, and later I'll show you how it works. And I'd already used it and are quite accurate, so it's worthy of our money. So I'm here to show you how to use it. So you can measure voltage, especially capacitor. So capacitor, resistors, transistors, diodes. So there are lots of usage for this one. So you can easily, it's like a small tester, it's like the size of the hands. So there are lots of connectors, and there are lots of options for us to use. See, it's uh, like my hands. Although it's made of China, but it's okay. It's so good. See, here we're gonna test it with a battery. So we're gonna connect the red prod to the red and black to black, and here we're gonna select the selector. So here we're gonna measure the battery. So see, it's around 1.6. So this is a battery which is fully charged, so it's good. So when you want to buy a digital tester, I already show you what should you buy.